Hey guys, it's Lawrence from Laws of Physio, and in this video I'm going to show you the resistance training program used in a study that showed increase in bone mineral density after 6 weeks. These changes were shown to be maintained 12 months afterwards. This study introduced a 6-week training program involving 3 days of a jumping program and 2 days of resistance training as above. This program also included supplementation of calcium and vitamin D 2 times daily. The resistance training program was set in 3 different blocks: a low intensity, a mid intensity, and a high intensity. The exercises included squats, bent over rows, deadlifts, military press, lunges, and calf raises. This video is going to show the low intensity block, which is week 1 to 2. This includes a warm-up of 20% of your 1 rep max for 10 repetitions, followed by 3 working sets of 10 repetitions at 50% of your 1 rep max. Each repetition was encouraged to have an explosive or as fast as you can concentric movement and a 2 to 3 second eccentric portion of the lift. This means you pull or you lift up as fast as you can, and you control and lower the opposite or the lowering part of the movement. Osteoporosis is a disease which decreases the mass of your bones. This leads them to being weaker and easier to break. This affects close to 1 million Australians and can lead to increases in pain and hospitalization. Studies show that if you have a broken hip, or even if you get surgery for that broken hip, it makes you 3 to 4 times more likely to die within 1 year. So if you know anyone who has osteoporosis, or if you want to prevent getting osteoporosis, please try this workout out and share it to anyone that you feel would benefit from it. Enjoy.